Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, meron ako ipapakita sa inyo. Ito na yung paggawa ng Christmas tree. Kapis Christmas tree ito guys. Ang una natin gagawin guys ay gagawa muna tayo ng frame para may pagkakabitan ng mga kapis chips na dinay cut. Maghahanap lang tayo ng bilog na bagay guys na pwedeng gagawing jig para sa stand. Ang sukat naman ng stand guys is 5 inches diameter. And then iikot natin yung alambre guys doon sa bilog na nakuha natin gawing jig na ang sukat naman niya is 5 inches diameter. And then pag nabilog na natin yung wire guys, lalagyan natin siya ng allowance kahit mga 17 inches para gawin natin pinakaposte. And then pag naputol na natin yung wire guys, ibibend na natin siya papuntang gitna. So ang radius nito guys is 2.5 kasi 5 inches diameter siya. And then pag nakuha na natin yung radius guys, ibibend naman natin siya pataas. Saka naman natin itutuwid, pupukpukin natin siya. Pagkatapos natin matuwid ang pinakaposte guys, saka naman natin lalagyan ng bracket yung pinakapaanan niya para tumibay. Pagkatapos natin magawa yung stand guys, saka naman natin ikabit yung pinaka frame niya, yung pagkakabitan ng kapis chips. Susukatin natin ito guys sa height na 14 inches, saka natin puputulin.
I'm distracted and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think
So ayun na guys, tapos na natin ang frame ihinang, tapos natin i-assemble. So lalagyan na ngayon ni Miss Rose guys ng gold. So iyan si Miss Rose guys, Miss Rose. So ipe-paint niya na guys yung yung frame. So, ipipaint yan ng gold. So, ito yung gold na ginagamit natin guys. Ito. Number 13. So, ayun na si Miss Rose guys. Mag-start na siya mag-paint ng gold.
So, ayun na guys, tapos na yung taas yung kulay yung pinaka-extend ng pinaka-base ng Christmas tree.
So, ito na guys, tapos na yung malagyan ng gold. Lalagyan na lang natin ito ng dahon. So, ayan na guys, ito na yun. So guys, ito na yung ating kapis. Ito yung ginagamit sa Christmas tree guys. So ito guys, galing sa dagat ito. So ito yun. Seashell ito siya guys, seashell. So ito yung ating die cut guys. Yung kapis, dinadie cut yan. So ito yung ating lady die cutter. Dinadie cut niya ano guys. Yung, tingnan natin yung kuan. Uy, madami na pala siya na die cut eh. Yan o. Wala pang laman. So ito yan guys. Dinadie cut yan. Yan. So ito yan. Malumi pa siya yan guys. So hugasan lang ng acid yan. Yan. Pagkatapos nito guys, kung ano yung design, kung kukulayan man or lutuin, kung smoke or peroxide siya, ipiperlize. So yan si Miss Rose guys, yung ating lady artist. Ngayon lady die cutter siya. Magkakat siya. Flexible siya guys. Masipag kasi ito kahit saan siya ilalagay. Marami siyang alam na trabaho. Ayan, mag-i-spray na siya. Okay. Guys, sige na. Say hi.
Hi! O, diba?
So ganyan talaga yan siya guys, gradual ang kulay, faded yung baba. So ngayon guys, ang katawan ng Christmas tree. Hanapin natin si Miss Rose kasi nawawala eh. Nasaan kaya si Miss Rose? Miss Rose, nasaan ka na? Ay, ayun pala si Miss Rose, oh. So, ayun na siya. Ayun na siya, guys, oh. Gumagawa na ng mga dahon. So, ibang kulay naman ginagawa niya ngayon, guys. Kahapon yung kulay green. So, ito naman kulay gold naman. Para sa Christmas tree din to, guys. Mamaya ikakabit natin to. So, ito na yan, guys, oh. Yun, ang galing naman ni Miss Rose. Lalagyan pa niya yan ng gold, guys. Gold lip. Bago lalagyan ng gold lip, lalagyan mo na ng, ng glue stick. Guys, ito na yung nalagyan ni Miss Rose ng wire na pagkabit-kabit na siya. So na-stack na natin, marami na siya. Ang gagawin natin dito guys, lalagyan natin ng glue stick. And then lalagyan din niya ng gold lip. So ito yung gold lip na gagamitin natin guys, number 14 din to. Gold number 14. Medyo madilaw-dilaw siya. And then lalagyan niya ng i-apply niya na sa dahon. So ayan na guys, mag-start na siya paglagay. Medyo mabagal lang talaga ang paglagay ng gold lip guys. Kailangan makadikit siya sa glue. So ito na yun guys. Ayan na siya guys. May gold na siya. And then pagkatapos nito guys, ikakabit natin doon sa may frame na ginawang frame kanina para doon sa Christmas tree. So ayan na guys, tapos na natin i-prepare ang dahon ng Christmas tree. Tapos na rin natin i-paint ang frame ng Christmas tree. So ang gagawin na lang natin dito guys is ikakabit na lang natin gamit yung soldering iron at ang soldering lead.
don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count and my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it,
Say that I'm psychotic.
in the end I think of you.
It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Guess I'm a little unconventional. So call it what you want it. 'Cause when I leave you like that, it's like every time I settle down, I turn around and want what I had, I had. I know that it's a gamble to put your heart in my hands, but if you give me just a little time, I'll show you something you never had, never had. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back.
So ito na guys, tapos na Miss Rose yung Christmas tree. Ayan na guys. Oh, ang ganda oh. Para rin si Miss Rose ang ganda.